Habulin ko lang ho niya ako, ha? Teka lang ho. Okay. First of all, teka muna. Okay lang. I love you too. First of all, thank you all for taking your time out to watch this special Christmas concert. And of course, I want to thank TV5 for allowing me to share my Christmas with you. Thank you so much. Actually, tapos na po yung show. Thank you so much. Just, I know that you guys must be very, very busy kasi, of course, Christmas is just around. Pero I'm very lucky and thankful na nandito pa rin kayo para manood ng Christmas special. It is often said that Christmas is for kids, so Christmas is for me, basically. Joke lang. Anyway, there was this one kid though na actually, katulad ko po, isang YouTube baby din. Actually, someone posted his video and then he became a contestant in the TV5 show, Talentadong Pinoy. Nalaman ko po na isa sa mga wish po niya ay makasama po akong kumanta. So, he was contacted again by TV5 at nag-shopping nga po kami kanina actually, so...
First of all, hi, I'm Shanice. At kasama ko po ngayon, sobrang great singer. And ngayon, mag-shopping tayo para sa outfit niya for tonight, ngayon, sa concert ko. And it's gonna be fun. Una kasi tinanong ko siya, anong style ang gusto niya? And sabi niya, more on R&B style daw siya. So, we're gonna look for some great outfits for tonight.
So, ikaw ang stylist ngayon?
Yes.
Looking in the mirror, tell me, what do you see? I see a star getting ready for the next movie scene. I'll let go of the day when I imagine that life is a dream.
Ito siya, para sa concert and Christmas concert. And I think siya talaga isa sa mga great talents na talagang dapat na-discover. And tonight, syempre, gusto kong feel sa kanya na kumaga star na rin. Syempre, to be able to reach that goal, syempre, kailangan, kumbaga, di ba, may mga cool stuff na mga damit, mga watches, shoes, and everything. So, right now, talagang ini-spoil ko na natin siya.
Meron bang anong to, parang giving back factor na since may nakikita ka bang parallel experience with it?
Definitely, kasi na-experience ko na ito before. Kumbaga parang nangyari na ito sa akin before yung ibang tao. Kahit hindi naman celebrity, kung mga ibang tao na may mga kumbaga malayong mga narating na inspiration natin para magkaroon ng outfit, ganito, tapos kumbaga parang ngayon may ginagawa ko ba yun, parang yung feeling, parang ganito pala yung feeling kapag ikaw naman mismo yung gumagawa sa ibang tao. And I think Arjun deserves that. And as long na keep lang niya yung kaay mo sa lupa, mararating niya kung ano yung talagang dream.
Along comes the holiday, just to make you stronger inside. Along comes the holiday, just to let you know you're alive. And that's a lesson for life. Why should I bother with reality? Rather pretend to live a life selfishly and make a ship and swim the seven seas. If I wanna, until along comes the
Ay, sobrang proud po ako kay Ate Charis kasi napaka-humble niya po at napaka-bait. At saka, dahil po sa kanya, sinahangan na po yung lahat ng mga gustong mangarap na kahit simpleng tao pwedeng mangarap. Yun po. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga nagsuporta sa amin dalawa. tsaka sa TV5 din. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga kapatid.
Here he is. Please welcome Arjon.
Good evening po!
Yeah. Hey.
Shorty love is like a pyramid. We stuck together till the very end. The love of you, not a love for sure. Our Janet Torres, let me go.
Stones heavy like the love you show, solid as the ground we know, and I just wanna carry on. We took it from the bottom up, and even in a desert storm, steady as a rock we hold, wishing every moment rose. No, I just wanna let you know.
Earthquakes can shake us, cyclones can break us, hurricanes can take us away in love.
We built this on a solid rock. It feels just like it's heaven's touch. Together at the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we never fall. Just keep on going. Forever we will stay like a pyramid.
Love is so you, that I love is so much that we gotta get through. Even when it storms, and I gotta go.
I'll be the one to keep you safe. What was the love packing more than enough? Falling onto one another, be the cover when it's rough. And it's that song. Hey, we built this on a solid rock. It feels just like it's heaven's touch. Together at the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we never fall. Just keep on going. Forever we will stay. Put your pyramids up. Put your pyramids up. Hey, we built this on a solid rock. It feels just like it's heaven's touch. Together at the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we never fall. Just keep on going. Forever we will stay like a pyramid.
Like a pyramid, like a pyramid, hey. Like a pyramid, like a pyramid, like a pyramid, like a pyramid, hey, hey, hey. Thank you, Resort World.
Thank you so much, Arjon. Ikaw na.
Thank you po, Ate
Hindi,
Choice.
ikaw na. Ikaw na mag-show. Sige, labas na ako. Just. Sobrang galing mo.
Thank you po, Ate Choice.
Ang cute mo. Nagusto mo ba yung, yung outfit na pinili?
Opo naman.
Ko?
Nagpapasalamat nga po ako sa inyo. Napakagaling yung singer. Hindi lang singer, stylist pa.
Ay, ko naman. Huwag ka naman ganyan. Huwag ka naman ganyan, no? Kainis ka naman eh. Ikaw naman eh, oh. Basta, kung kasi tuloy mo lang ang pagkanta mo at malay natin one day, di ba ako naman yung mag-guest sa concert niya. Azi? Once again, Arjon.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you po.
Ang programang ito ay